Are you wanting to make canvas prints of your paintings, but you don't have a printer or the supplies? Well, not to worry, you can use Printful. I've used them for years to make canvas prints of my artwork, and I highly recommend them. Best of all, they make archival prints. So if you're wanting to make an archival canvas print that's gonna last the test of time, not gonna fade, be something that is museum quality in its materials, then Printful is the way to go. And they're print on demand, which is also a really awesome thing. This means that you can integrate Printful with your Etsy shop or your Shopify store, lots of other online selling platforms as well. And you can have everything work seamlessly in the background. So a customer will be able to get on Etsy, purchase your canvas print, Printful will make it and ship it to the customer, and you won't have to do anything other than provide customer support and get everything configured on the front end. And so because of this, Printful can be really convenient for artists. So in this video, I'm going to share with you exactly how I make canvas prints with Printful. We're going to go through every step of the process so you'll know what to do. It's very easy. And then I order the canvas through Printful, wait for it to arrive, then through the magic of video, we get to do an unboxing. You'll get to see exactly what the canvas print looks like in this video. I'd also like to point out that I use my Epson P6000 back there to make a lot of canvas prints here myself, but I don't make every canvas print myself because it's just not an economical thing for me to do. For example, when I'm shipping a canvas print to an international customer, it'll cost me about $60 just for the shipping cost, and the customer will have to wait sometimes up to a month to get their order. But if I use Printful to make that same print, it'll cost me around 40 bucks, and the customer gets it in like a week or maybe a week and a half. And so this is much better for my costs and for the customer. Also, I use Printful when I need to make a canvas print that's larger than what my P6000 can do. Because here in my studio, I can make canvas prints up to 18 by 24 inches in size, but nothing larger than that. And sometimes I have customers that want 24 by 30 inch or larger canvas prints, and Printful can make all of those sizes. When making a canvas reproduction of one of my paintings, what I do first is get a really high resolution image of my artwork. If you don't know how to do this, check the description area. I have lots of video resources down there for you. But once you have your digital file, the image of your work, the next step is to log into Printful. In the Printful product catalog, I like to use the canvas with parentheses IN version. I think this has the most options and it's very affordable. You can see all of the sizes here. I'm using a 16 by 20 inch for $28, and it should arrive in 4 to 11 days. Now you can also order in bulk, and so you can get a price discount if you order more of them. Now we're going to start a new basic order. You can also order a sample. It's just up to you. I have used all of my samples for the month, so I'm just doing a basic order. But I select vertical because the image that I will be printing is vertical. Next step is to upload my image that I will be printing. I'm going to be making a print of my fox painting today. It's also good to check your print quality. They have it listed here. Mine says good. So now I am moving on to the next step, which is resizing my image so that I have black edges around it. This is very easy to do. You just want to align the image with the inner dotted line. And next you go over and select layers from the navigation panel on the left, and then you select fill, and then the color that you would like your edges of your canvas to be. I'm selecting black, and you can see the 3D projection, the model of what it will look like here. So it's turning out to look exactly like I want it to. Then I hit continue, and it gives you one last chance to look over the details of your order before you type in your shipping address or your customer's shipping address. I ordered on the 4th of November and it arrived on the 8th. So this is super fast shipping. Here is the box that I received with my canvas print. It's packaged really well. It has these little bands that you have to cut off. And then there is one piece of tape to cut off to be able to open the box, but it's very easy to unpack and also feels secure. There is shrink wrap around the canvas, which helps it to remain unscuffed from going in and out of the box. So there it is. You can see it is really quality, stretched very tightly. Everything looks super professional with how it's made. You can see the black edges here are perfectly aligned, exactly how I did it when I configured the piece in the Printful app. But there is one last tip that I would like to give you, and that's to always do a test print, because when I got this one in, it isn't quite as dark in the black areas as I would like it to be. I mean, it looks pretty good. You can kind of see here. I mean, I think that my camera automatically adjusts everything, so I don't know if you can see it as well as I can, but it looks just a tad bit washed out. And this is because I use the same image that I am printing with on my Epson P6000 at home. And what I've figured out over time with Printful and a lot of the other print-on-demand companies is that the file that I have configured for my printer at home is not configured perfectly for how they have their printer set up, even if I embed the printer profiles and everything as I should in my image files that I'm submitting to them. And so what I've figured out over time is that I just need to make my images a little bit darker, the blacks a little bit bolder when I submit them to Printful than I do on my printer at home. But you might have your system and everything set up differently. So I wouldn't say to always make everything darker. The best rule of thumb is to create a test print, get that sample in before you ever sell anything. That way you can adjust the colors if you need to on the future prints. So this way, if some color, let's say a green or a blue, isn't turning out to be the right shade, you can adjust that in your prints, because once you have the file configured exactly right to Printful, they will print it the same time after time. At least that's my experience. But some people don't go through all of that effort. I mean, it's totally up to you. I'm very particular about my paintings, and I want all of my prints to match when it comes to a canvas print and the painting and then the paper prints that I'm selling at the art fairs or on my website. I want them all to match, to be the exact same colors. And so for me, I always do a test print and get that sample in the mail like I did with this one. And in this particular print, I am going to go ahead and darken up the blacks just a tad bit more the next time I order one through Printful. Now, this begs the question, which is better, the canvas prints that I make myself at home in my studio, or the canvas prints that I get from Printful? And I would say there is a clear quality difference. The ones that I make are better. There is no getting around that. But there's not that much of a difference. I mean, it's a small difference. Let's say that my prints that I make at home are an A+, the Printful prints are a B+. Still good enough that most customers are going to love them, and they're not even going to know that there is a difference in potential quality. And so that's why for me, I use Printful in certain situations, but not all the time. Because if I can make a better quality print myself here in my studio, I'm going to do that. But when it makes sense financially for me and for the delivery time for my customers, then I think it's a good idea to use Printful. And if it makes sense for you, like you don't have a printer, you don't have the money to spend $4,000 or $5,000 on the new large format Epson SureColor archival printer, all the materials, or you don't have the studio space, then it would make sense for you to use Printful. If you found this video helpful and you want some tips for selling art prints online without social media, check out this video. All right, thank you so much for watching. See you next time.